Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to give GoDaddy Delegate access. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, move to the upper right corner and hover over your account name. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click Account Settings, which is where you manage important parts of your account, including delegate access. After opening Account Settings, look for Delegate Access and click on it. On this page, you'll see a section titled People Who Can Access My Account, which is where you manage and add delegates. Click Invite to Access to begin adding someone. A pop-up window will appear asking for the person's name and email address. Make sure these details are accurate, as the invitation email will be sent there. Once the information is entered, choose the access level you want to grant, such as domains only, products and domains, or full access, depending on how much control the person needs. After selecting the appropriate access level, click Invite to send the invitation. The person will then receive an email from GoDaddy with a link they need to click to accept the access. Remind them to check their inbox and accept the invitation so they can access your account with the permissions you've assigned. And that's it. So that is how you can give GoDaddy Delegate access. So that's all for this video. Thanks.